And just like that, it was time to jump on the Eurostar and leave Paris and Dale behind. It was a wonderful little whirlwind weekend away, but we were so happy to be going home to see our babies again. Thankfully, this is not our train for the final leg home. Hopefully ours will be a little bit more comfortable. We've got rainbow. So we're home and we've got a very lukewarm welcome from the babies. Lily is letting me give her a little fuss, but she is refusing to purr or look at me. The lion is downstairs with Daisy, trying to get her back on side. We're going to have to do a bit of work here. She's got one paw up.
Where's Daisy gone?
She's there.
Don't you?
Daisy's interested. Oh. Where's Daisy? She's behind my coat. What you doing? Hello? I think they're still not quite sure of us, you know? So that's what I came back to. It's done it again. I am going to leave that for a job for tomorrow because today I just want to get into my advent calendars. The Dealy Boppers have been severely lacking the last couple of episodes of Vlogmas. So yeah, we're home. What a whirlwind. I've got a cup of tea because I needed it. A cup of tea. I've changed into, in honour of delightful Dale, I've changed into my Grinchmas nightie thing, but it's cold, so I've got a cardi on as well. And I should mention, not only was it wonderful seeing Dale, got distracted by my clashing pink and red, not only was it wonderful seeing Dale and just eating, drinking champagne, talking, laughing, enjoying each other's company, and meeting Eileen as well. That was really, really lovely. And the shopping, obviously, Louis Vuitton really rolled out the red carpet for us there. It was really, really great. We bought things as well. Might have got my birthday present while we were there. Might have also bought myself a cheeky little 4,000 subscriber gift to self celebratory celebratory gift to self. So so much more excitement coming up. I think I will film those videos after Vlogmas. But yeah, what a whirlwind. My feet are sore. My feet are sore. Didn't use the selfie stick once, took it, didn't use it once. Did use the tweezers a lot though. Rampant. It is rampant. But I have a couple of advent calendars to catch up on. And I got a surprise. On the doorstep when we got home is this Hotel Chocolat. This is the advent calendar, Truffles for Two, that the lion got for me after saying I didn't want any sweetie advent calendars or shop bought advent calendars. He'd already ordered this. It just took its sweet time to arrive, and yeah, it was here when we got home on the doorstep. Been there for a day. I was surprised no one nicked it. It was a big box as well, it was really obvious. So this is the Truffles for Two. Now, a long time ago, we had one of these on the basis that it was for two and we would each have something from the advent calendar. But he never ate them, so I ate them all. So this is for me. I'm going to open up number one. I'll show you, and then I'm going to scoff and catch up with the rest of them offline. So that's what they look like. You've got two in each pouch. And is there a menu? There's a menu on the back. This has got a red, looks a little bit nipply. It's a red little nipple, and it's Raspberry Rush. That'll work. So, God. Oh, there's an explosion of raspberry in my face. Not an unpleasant experience. So, that will be being added. I'm going to catch up, and then it'll be added to the Advent calendar opening session portion of the Vlogmas videos. Just realised not only is it a Truffles for Two calendar, but it is a 24-day calendar. So I'm eating for two, but I also have to open 2 windows every day. So I'm going to be eating 4 chocolates every day. Nice work if you can get it. So the homemade advent calendar that I want today, I've got 2 things specific for the return from Paris. I chose these 2 specifically in mind. Right, so the first one is, it's the Dior Capture Total, and this is the Cell Energy Face Cream. And I do feel like I've broken out somewhat. I woke up yesterday, meeting up with Dale. I woke up with a bloody great spot right on the tip of my nose, and I seem to have cultivated 3 more on the journey home. So I was saying about the eye cream that I unboxed in a autumn winter haul video recently, that I was moving into using the stronger stuff over winter, and my skin is saying, yeah, you need it, you absolutely need it. So that's advent calendar. I'm going to say that was yesterday's advent calendar, and today's advent calendar is in this bag, and it is 2 things. I'm going to get that out first, and then I'm going to show you this. It is the Bal d'Afrique shower gel from Byredo, however you pronounce it. And it comes with its own little pump to pop on there, so you can pump out the shower gel. I really enjoyed using this in New York, and this is bringing back memories of New York and also now Paris. London, Paris, New York. Is there anywhere this luxury tuber will not go for hijinks, shenanigans and shopping? No, there is nowhere I won't go for all of those things. But this is the stuff that they stock at the Intercontinental Barclay in New York where we stayed, and the Intercontinental Le Grand in Paris. So another little hark back, I guess, to what has been an incredible year of travelling and meeting up with fellow like-minded handbag lovers who put themselves out on the interwebs to talk about them. So those are my 2 advent calendars. I'm trying to think if there is anything else that I need to cover off today before I just crash out. No, but in tomorrow's Vlogmas, so I'm thinking tomorrow might try and keep it a little bit chilled after the whirlwind after the last few days. Try and keep it a bit chill. I have got gifts from YouTubers who I met up with perhaps in New York that have arrived in the post. Happy Vlogmas Christmas post. So we'll open those tomorrow. Yeah, let's do that. Let's chill out, eat chocolate, drink tea and open prezzies. It's starting to look a lot like Christmas. Oh, I'm so tired. Are you alright, baby? Daisy's like, why do you have to give the stripy one, son?
I'm giving Davy bits. Easy now. What?
The look of indignation. What? Where? That didn't come to me. That went to the stripy one.
That's it. All done. Good babies.
Really?
Oh, no one's happy. No one's happy with that outcome, are they?